Hey, magical beings! Welcome back to Taurus Heart. I'm Charlene, your host. Today we're diving into a powerful natural remedy that I like to call nature's antibiotic. This blend is packed with health-boosting ingredients to help you fight infections and stay healthy. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need: fresh ginger, pineapple juice, garlic, raw honey, lemon juice, and Ceylon cinnamon. Each of these ingredients has its own unique health benefits, making this blend a potent natural remedy. First, we have ginger. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Chop up a small piece about an inch long. Next, we'll add 1 cup of pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is not only delicious but also rich in vitamin C and bromelain, which help boost your immune system. Then we add 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic that has been used for centuries to fight infections. Now, a tablespoon of raw honey. Honey has antimicrobial properties and adds a touch of sweetness to our blend. Add the juice of 1 lemon. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C and helps to cleanse and detoxify the body. Finally, a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon. This spice is not only flavorful, but also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, it's time to blend. Blend everything until smooth and well combined. And there you have it, nature's antibiotic. You can keep it in a glass container in the fridge. Remember to not use a metal spoon, as it deactivates the healthy stuff in the honey. I want to share a quick personal story. Earlier this year, both my sons came down with strep throat. My oldest son was with me, while my youngest was at his dad's. Their dad had some leftover antibiotics and started our youngest on it as soon as symptoms appeared. I didn't have any antibiotics, but I did have a recipe from my mother-in-law for a natural antibiotic. I decided to give it a try. My youngest son stayed on the course of antibiotics and took over a week to start feeling better. My oldest son, who was taking the natural antibiotic, was feeling better in just 3 days. I made sure he did the maintenance dose for 3 more days. He wasn't a fan of the taste, but he was happy it made him feel better. I used 3 teaspoons a day for the first 3 days, then 1 teaspoon a day for 3 more days. Please note, this is not medical advice and results may vary. Thanks for watching Taurus Heart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more natural health tips and remedies. Stay magical. Blessed be.